Bam, it's my life, and today we're going to be making a quick, fast, and easy guacamole that is extra special delicious. I love guacamole, and it's a good healthy fat for vegans and somebody's dieting, but sometimes I think I go a little bit over when it comes to avocados. I love avocados. I love guacamole. There was at one point in my life where you could not pay me to eat guacamole, let alone avocado. But now, honey, I be inventing things to put avocados on. And it's just one of those things that I started to love and acquire a taste for as I got older. And it became really, really filling, tasty, and yummy, especially when I started transitioning into becoming a vegan. So what I like to eat my guacamole with sometimes is either the corn tortilla chips, the real crunchy hard ones, or I like to use these Snack Factory pretzel crisps, and these are actually very, very, very delicious. They're good for scooping and dipping, and you know, I feel like it makes it healthier, even though I know it doesn't. But so yeah, this is what I like to use. So I like to season my guacamole up really, really good. Some people like to use fresh lime, but I prefer the lemon taste in mine. It just makes it a little bit more light and fresh and airy. So what we're going to be using to season our guacamole, because I don't buy the seasoning packs anymore, because I find that they have a lot of sodium in them, and some of them have dairy in them. So I like to use garlic powder, lemon pepper always coming through, a little bit of Italian seasoning, and a little bit of garlic powder. So I have some fresh cilantro, some fresh parsley, a little bit of onion, and a Roman tomato. I love Roman tomatoes for my guac. And I have 2 large Hess avocados, and I have fresh lemon because I'm going to squeeze a little bit of fresh lemon juice in there. So hunties, let's go ahead and get everything all chopped up. And we're going to jump right into this video, because this is like the best, quick, easiest way to make guacamole. A lot of people are not sure how to make it. They get scared, or they go to the store and buy it. I don't trust the guacamole in the store, and I'm going to tell y'all why. Because for one, it'd be too runny. 2, guacamole should not last 2 or 3 weeks on the shelf, honey, okay? Avocados don't last like that. So I just don't trust the stuff in the store. It's nothing you can do to make me eat it. I don't care how good people say it is, honey. I'm just not gonna eat it because I know that avocados don't hold up like that, honey. And I just don't think guacamole should be having a shelf like that long, you know what I'm saying? So I just go ahead and just start chopping everything up with my little knife. I love the cilantro and the parsley. I love the fresh onion. I love the tomatoes. I just rough chop everything until I get it to the size I want it, which is kind of like fine. I used to put it in the blender, but I found that it made the tomatoes and the onions too thin, honey. And I like that little bit of the chunkiness. Now, something that I have found weird lately is I've been really attracted to, I have really been digging white onions. Like, honey, I ate some guacamole and fell asleep on the sofa, and when I woke up, I could smell the onion on my breath. Girl, it almost killed me. It almost took me out. I ran to the bathroom. I was like, honey, you don't want this kiss. You don't want this sugar, okay? This sugar ain't right. So I have noticed that I have gotten a love for like fresh onions lately, and I don't know where it came from. I used to use onions to like season stuff, but like lately here, y'all, honey, you give me a fresh onion and sprinkle a little something on top of something else, I'll be ready to go. Okay, I'll be ready to go. I love to sometimes in the morning I'll make like avocado toast, and I won't like make guac or anything, so I'll just chop up like some onions, some tomatoes, a little cilantro, some parsley, and slice my little avocado up on a nice little piece of toast, honey, and put that little pico on top with a little fresh squeezed lemon juice, a little salt and pepper, honey. You can't tell me nothing, okay? You might as well call me Dolly Parton, baby. Like, I get excited. Like, I can eat guacamole every day. Guacamole, avocados, cucumbers, mushrooms, black beans, like, honey, You ain't said, you can't threaten me with black beans, honey. Or red beans. You could threaten me with kidney beans. Not kidney beans, I still can't get with lima beans. You know, you tell me I eat lima beans, we might fight. But yeah, you cannot threaten me, honey, with some black beans and a little pico. Oh, honey, let me tell you, I might be your friend. I might even let you take me home. I'm just playing. You can't take me home. Him gonna get mad. But I will be your friend. So we have our fresh pecan, everything chopped up. And we're gonna go ahead and slide that on into the bowl. Woo! Honey, that is gonna be delicious. Look at all that freshness. That's what I love about being vegan. Everything you know is gonna be fresh. I get no surprises unless I buy a piece of vegetable or something that goes bad like in a couple days. But I get no surprises with my food anymore. And I like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and slice this avocado. Honey, I saw a meme on Facebook. Old girl sliced the whole avocado in half with the seed. She was good, honey. I can't do it. I don't like my avocados really soft. I like them a little firm. I like a little bit of bite when I make my guacamole. Like, I like it. I don't like it like runny or anything. You know, I always cut mine into little cubes and then I like scoop it out with a spoon. You know, get all the meat out. No meat left behind from the avocado, honey. Scrape that thing down. So that's how I like mine. I like them to be a little bit firm, not too soft. You know, like this one was on the edge of getting too soft, but she gonna be fine today, honey. She going in the bowl. I just love guac, and everybody like, your guac looks so good. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna put a video up, because for one, I get tired of baby freedom, honey, calling me about some guacamole. Like, sis, you gotta learn how to make your own guac. You know what I'm saying? Don't baby fruit, stop calling me about your guac. But yeah, if y'all been here for a while on the channel, if y'all are new, then y'all know Baby Free is my older sister, and we call her Baby Free because she's named for my aunt. And in my family, we tend to pass down girl names. So since she was the baby, everybody called her Baby Freedom. But yeah, my sister called me 20 times about guacamole, and I done showed her the quick way to make it, the easy way, but she'll still call and blow my phone up. Like, girl, you need to make you some guac. So I told her today that I was doing a video, and she gonna say, well, when you putting the video up? And I said, this weekend, honey. That thing gonna tell me why I can't put it up tomorrow. I said, I told you this weekend I got other videos to put up. But she don't care. I'm talking to y'all like y'all sitting across the counter from me. I know y'all think I'm crazy, but I love guacamole. And I love filming. And I love talking to y'all. So yeah, we almost done, y'all. Let's just get all the meat out. Oh, I love Hess avocados. Y'all, I tried them Florida avocados, honey. Florida, I'll take your orders, but your avocados y'all can keep, honey. That was some BS. I was not ready for it. Alright, so what I like to do is just take a little bit of lemon and squeeze it in there. That fresh lemon, which really brings out the flavor in the cilantros. I forgot the salt, but I'll put some salt in there later. Add a little lemon pepper. Well, I add a lot of lemon pepper. Okay. Add a little garlic powder. Ooh. A little onion powder. Well, I got in reverse. And a little Italian seasoning. And let me grab my salt. Lord, what is the salt? Here you go. So I like to use a little bit of granulated salt. Not granulated, sea salt. I just give it a couple turns. Honey, get my handy dandy fork. Use a metal fork. Don't use a plastic fork, honey, because it's gonna pop, it's gonna break. And I just mush it until I get it to the consistency I like. Honey, let me start cleaning up all this stuff. We're gonna partake in this right here on camera. This is a one shot shoot video, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we gonna mix them avocados up, honey. I think that people should try eating more fresh veggies, even if they're not vegan or vegetarian, just in general, because you just feel so much better. And I know this is TMI, right? But y'all, I have the best poops in the world since I become vegan. Like, they be quick, clean, no pain, you know, frequent, you know, honey. Vegan life is good life. Alright. But y'all, I ain't trying to say that. I'm just saying, put a little bit more vegetable in your diet. Let's pop open our craisins. I'm gonna get a little scoop so I eat out of the bowl, you know. Grab a little piping dish. I'm gonna save some for my husband too, because he like my guacamole too. Ooh, child. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Got me a little pretzel. Oh! Stiff where? Okay, let me stop. Okay, let's taste. Oh. Oh. A lemon, honey. With that lemon pepper. With that pico de gallo. Let me tell you, this is why I'm addicted to guacamole. I'm gonna paste a picture right here what it's gonna look like. Now, if you're a meat eater, eat these with some chicken salad. I bet they fine. Honey. I mean, my trainer was pull over that ass too fast. Alright, this is my last bite. This guacamole is so good, y'all. I'm finna take my fat ass, pardon my language, and watch a little bit of TV before I start filming my next video. And I'm gonna get another scoop and a half of this with these chips, and drink some good old lemon ice water. And then I'm gonna brush my teeth because them onions quite strong, you know, and then I'm gonna enjoy myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know y'all see my guacamole a lot on Instagram, on Facebook, and I never really put up a recipe on how I do it for real. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please come back. Remember to treat people how you want to be treated. Make sure you're checking on your first responders, your military people. Sometimes the people who look the strongest and seem like they got it together, honey, they be struggling on the inside, and they need somebody to talk to and somebody to listen to them too. So with that being said, remember, food is love. I love you guys, and I'll see you back here in a couple of days. But what I'm about to do is give me another scoop of this right here and be out this beach. Don't judge me.